Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to stop autoplay videos on TikTok. Start by opening the TikTok app on your device. Once the app is open, navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your TikTok profile page. On your profile page, look at the top right corner of the screen, where you will see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on these lines to open a menu. From the menu, select the option labeled Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the settings page for your account. Once you are on the Settings and Privacy page, scroll down until you see an option called Data Saver. Tap on this option to open it. The Data Saver feature is specifically designed to help you save data while using TikTok, and it includes the ability to stop videos from autoplaying when you are on mobile data. When you open the Data Saver page, you will see a toggle switch. Make sure to turn this switch on. Enabling the Data Saver mode will prevent videos from autoplaying when you are using mobile data, and it may also reduce the video resolution to save data. Keep in mind that this feature only works when you are on mobile data and not when you are connected to Wi-Fi. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.